Today we see about the periodic traits in the modern periodic table. Means trend of a property in a group or in a period. The property, it may be increases or decreases in a group or in a period. So we see about the periodic traits of valency, their atomic size, then metallic and non-metallic character. First we see about the periodic traits of valency in the modern periodic table in the group from top to bottom and in the period from left to right. So first, what is meant by valency? So valency is actually determined from the number of valence electrons. Valence electrons means the number of electrons present in the outermost shell of an atom. So from valence electrons we can determine the valency. Actually, valency means the number of electrons which are gained or donated or shared by an atom to complete its octet. We know that every atom try to complete its octet. Every atom try to complete its octet. So it can donate or accept or share electrons to complete its octet or duplet. For example, if we take sodium, sodium has atomic number 11. Its electronic configuration is 281. It has one electron in its outermost shell. It means it has one valence electrons. So sodium donate one electron to other atom to complete its octet, and now the electronic configuration of sodium becomes 2,8. So from we can say that sodium donates one electron to complete its octet. So sodium has valency 1. Sodium has valency 1. Next example, if we take about the chlorine. Chlorine has atomic number 17. Its electronic configuration is 287. It has 7 electrons in its outermost shell. It means it has 7 valence electrons. 7 electrons in its outermost shell. It requires 1 electron to complete its octet. So chlorine accepts 1 electron from any atom and it completes its octet. So its electronic configuration becomes 288 and its outermost shell is completed. Its outermost shell has complete octet. So chlorine accepts 1 electron from other atom. So from this we can say that chlorine has valency 1. Next example we see about the aluminum. Aluminum has atomic number 13. Electronic configuration is 283. It has 3 electrons in its outermost shell. It has 3 valence electrons. So it donates 3 electrons to complete its octet. So it donates 3 electrons to other atom to complete its octet. So its valency becomes 3. Its valence becomes 3. Next example is carbon. Carbon has atomic number 6. Its electronic configuration is 2, 4. It has 4 electrons in its outermost shell. It has 4 valence electrons. It requires 4 electrons to complete its octet. So carbon share 4 electrons to complete its octet. Carbon shares 4 electrons So valency of carbon becomes 4. So from all these examples we can say that valency is the number of electrons which are gained or donated or shared by the atom to complete its octet. To complete its octet. Now we see the periodic trend of valency in a group. First we see about the periodic trend of valency in a group. For example, if you take group number 1, first group, hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium. If you take for examples of group number first, hydrogen has atomic number 1, lithium has 3, sodium 11, potassium 19. Its electronic configuration, hydrogen has electronic configuration 1, lithium has electronic configuration 2, 1, sodium has electronic configuration 281, potassium has electronic configuration 2881. So from this we can say that all these elements belongs to group first, belongs to same. They have same valence electrons. That is 1. Hydrogen has 1 valence electron, lithium also has 1, sodium has also 1, potassium has also 1. So all these elements donate 1 electron to complete their duplet or octet. All these elements donate 1 electron to complete their duplet or octet. So all these elements have valency 1. They have valency 1. So from this we can say that elements in the group number 1 have valency 1. It means they have same valence. Now we take the example of next group,